Good morning. I just wanted to record this video because I had a couple of emails about how to find your group assignment in your group section. It might be a little bit tricky, and I need to confess that really Blackboard is not doing a very good job to let us know that where is that group assignment. So obviously I have, as you see, this is our opening page announcement. It starts with the announcement. So obviously, because I'm a member of each and every group, when I click on my groups, I'll see all the groups there. But let's say that you're in group 11, click on it and go to your group homepage, and then you will see your group assignment there. Click on it and this page will open. Oh, there's no assignment. No, there is, because it is hiding in this little corner. Click that down arrow here and you will see your assignment and you can click it and download it. Sorry for the confusion and making you feel uneasy, but that was just it. All right, see you soon.